As this is the coronation, this is still the party for the coronation, and if you can see, everywhere is live, everywhere is bright. We are the party for the coronation ceremony. Today the name was pronounced. Oba Ewa II was crowned today in Benin City. If you're just joining us, this is the sight and sound. Happy people, happy Edo State, happy Benin City. Everybody is okay because the king has been crowned. This is Benin, where culture is truly represented. If you're just joining me, stay right back. We'll be right back to ask one or two persons how they feel about today's event. But if you're just joining me, you're on to the Ben Owens TV. We're reaching you live and direct from Benin City. This is the palace of the Oba Benin, where the king is actually king. He actually took these stairs, this place you're seeing, this road. He actually walked down this aisle into this palace today, and it's been fun. We're having fun. Everybody's having fun here, and we're having mad fun. Trust me, this is the greatest event for the year for us as Benin. I'm proud today to be a Benin man. I'm proud today to come from the Edo lineage. I'm proud today to be associated with this palace. I'm proud today to be associated with this palace, called the Palace of the Oba of Benin. We had dignitaries from all walks of life gracing the floor today. We had the Sultan of Sokoto, we have the Emir of Kano, and we had every single person that is right here, right now, that actually is having fun. Benin is reborn.
I'm very, very happy to be here, and it's one great thing that every Edo person or Benin person should celebrate our new king, our new Oba. I definitely know that this will bring about peace, progress, and more development to Edo State, and I'm very, very happy to be here today.
Okay, so now that the coronation it signifies peace, it signifies a lot of things. Now the festivity, was there any rancor? Did you notice any rancor, or how was it?
It was cool, it was peaceful, and it was awesome. Okay, there was a lot of dignitary from first of the word I per se, and it was very, very interesting.
That's cool. That's really cool. Thank you so much for joining us.
Right, my name is Louis Ojomo. I'm a legal practitioner, and I live here in Benin City.
Okay, are you an Edo man or a Benin man?
I'm an Edo man. That's what we say. We Edo kwa kwa kwa.
That's cool. Today the Oba of Benin was crowned with the title of Ewa II. How does that make you feel, sir, being in Benin?
It makes me feel ecstatic. It makes me feel very proud. My chest is swollen with pride on this day's activity. For every Edo man worldwide, today is a day that we're very proud. We are fulfilled, and we have a new Oba, and our dynasty continues.
Okay, now looking at the array of dignitaries that were present today, we had from the top to the very least of traditional ruler in Nigeria, and we had the vice president representing the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Now all this happened in just some few hours because Benin is about to be born again. So how does that translate into every other issues around us?
Well, you know, the history of Benin is very glossy, very rich, very full, dating back centuries. We have had kings, and the Benin Empire stretched from here as far as Ghana. And today you will find in Nigeria influences of the Benin Empire all over, which is why today you have people from the north, from the eastern part of Nigeria, from Yoruba land, all came here today to celebrate the Benin Kingdom. You will remember from our history when the Portuguese came to Benin, they met a very rich culture, an established civilization, and they were able to trade with us because already we were very advanced, and we had an existing system of land tenure, existing system of hereditary procedures, police systems, an army. We were very skilled in bronze making. We were scientific and technologically aware at a very early time in our history. And all of the former Bendel state or Midwest state of Nigeria is heavily influenced by the Edos. So wherever you traverse in the former Midwest, from Auchi to Warri to Agbo, Asaba or Nicha, you will see Benin influences. in terms of culture and language.
Thank you very much. We've been educated all around, and we believe that the people watching it out there, they are as educated as we are. I want to especially say thank you very much. So one wish for the Oba today, being the first day on the throne as the Oba of Benin.
As we say in Benin, Oba Gatok Bae, we say, may he live long and reign and govern us well. In Jesus' name.
Thank you so much, sir. God bless you. So we're still here. We're still at the Palace of the Oba of Benin. We'll talk to one or two persons. We just finished talking with a very sound dignitary, and it's treating us. He has treated us with the culture and how far we have gone from here to Ghana. And that was truly represented today with the array of dignitaries that were here present. I hope you don't miss this, because the next time we'll be 80. So what am I? I'm enjoying myself. I hope you enjoy yourself out there too, because hey, I'm having fun. Have fun too. Sir, I know you're very busy. I know you're very busy. Today is the coronation ceremony of the Oba of Benin, and he has just chosen the title of Eware II. How does that make you feel representing Benin man?
So Benin culture is very great. And Benin culture, we need peaceful. You understand? This our Oba is a nice man. Ovorame II. Thank God for everything. Everything was successful. Everything was peaceful. There was no fight. There was nothing, sir. Thank God for everything.
All right, thank you very much. So we're still here, So we're still here, and it's really been fun, mad fun. You can see the crowd. The crowd is really high. We're going to talk to more few persons. We're going to try and see if we can get some shot of the palace. Just stay tuned. We'll be right back, reaching you live and direct from Benin City for the Benuans TV. Don't go anywhere. Stay with us. With all the dignitaries here today, how does that make you feel? Seeing, because I right here, I saw the vice president from the hierarchy of government to the highest chieftain. King in the land. I saw the Sultan of Sokoto, the Emir of Kano, and all that. Now seeing those dignitaries here, you are a Benin man. What is that glory that you were so proud of?
The glory I'm so proud of is, in the first place, there's an adage in Benin that says, "Agasoredo, Edo Otium, Edo Rasoroma, Edo Yeve Otium." Benin is the heart of Nigeria. Without Benin, no Nigeria. We have two kingdoms in the world. We have Benin Kingdom and United Kingdom. We have two cities in the world. We have Benin City and New York City.
Yeah,
so
that's so wonderful. That is
everybody around the world will want to felicitate with the great Benin Kingdom, and that makes me proud. That makes me proud as a Benin man.
I'm proud today to be associated with this palace. I'm proud today to be associated with this palace. Palace of the Oba of Benin. We had dignitaries from all walks of life gracing the floor today. We had the Sultan of Sokoto, we had the Emir of Kano, and we had every single person that is right here, right now, that actually is having fun. Benin is reborn.
They ask questions. Yeah, wait, don't.
I'm very happy to be here. And it's one great thing that every Edo person or Benin person just happy to celebrate our new king, our new Oba. I definitely know that this will bring about peace, progress, and more development to Edo State. And I'm very happy.
Okay, so now that the coronation is signifies peace, there's a lot of things. Now, the festivity, was there any